Hello friends, today we are going to solve the previous year questions paper of the IIT GMAT of the mathematics. So come to the first problem. So this problem says that ship A is sailing towards the northeast with a velocity of 30 I plus 50 J. ये जो है velocity आपका ship A की दी हुई है. Where I points toward the east and J towards the north. तो यहाँ पे जो ship B is at a distance, ship B की जो लोकेशन दी हुई है that is 80 किलोमीटर towards the east and 150 किलोमीटर towards the north of the A and is sailing towards the west. इसकी डायरेक्शन दी हुई है 10 किलोमीटर, that is it is sailing towards the west. So problem पूछ रहा है कि A will be at minimum distance from B. A जो है B से मिनिमम डिस्टेंस कितने टाइम के बाद होगा ये मुझे निकालना है. तो यहाँ पे जो सबसे पहले we consider the origin at the position of the A. This is the position of the A. और A की जो वेलोसिटी, सपोज दिस द वेलोसिटी ऑफ A, ये जो है दिस योर I डायरेक्शन एंड दिस योर J डायरेक्शन. I जो है आपका दिस इज वेस्ट एंड J डायरेक्शन इज द नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन. सपोज दिस द पोजीशन ऑफ द B. सो B की पोजीशन जो है ये जो है 80 किलोमीटर ईस्ट and it is 150 kilometer north from A. और B की जो velocity दी हुई है it is 10 kilometer towards the west. This is the velocity of B. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हम लिख लेंगे what is the velocity of A. So V is given as this is 30 I plus 50 J and the velocity of ship B is equal to, it is moving towards the west, it means it will be minus 10 I. एक रफ डायग्राम हम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सपोज इस डायरेक्शन ऑफ, ये मान लेते हैं कि आपका A है और ये मान लेते हैं कि B है, राइट. इसको मैंने एक R वेक्टर से नाम से डिनोट किया है. सबसे पहले यहां पे लिखेंगे व्हाट इज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ A विद रिस्पेक्ट टू B. सो वी राइट वेलोसिटी ऑफ A विद रिस्पेक्ट टू B दैट इज इक्वल टू VA minus VA. And VA is given as 30I plus 50J. Minus of minus 10I. So this is equal to 40I plus 50J. So this is the relative velocity of A with respect to B. Suppose this is the direction of, suppose this is the direction of the VAB. तो जब A जो है B से शॉर्टेस्ट होगा वो कब होगा? हम B से इस पे क्या करेंगे? We will plot perpendicular on the direction of the VAB. Now what is the projection of R along the direction of VAB? So the projection of R means मुझे ये वाली जो है distance चाहिए. So projection of R along the direction of the velocity, that we can say that this is R dot unit vector of VAB. और इसको हम इक्वेट कर देंगे that is equal to modulus of VAB into time. That is the time for the minimum distance between A and B. तो यहां से हम t निकाल लेंगे. t is equal to This is R dot VAB. VAB, this is the unit vector of VAB. Divide by modulus of VAB. So this is equal to R dot VAB divide by VAB का modulus का whole square. So R is given as, we can write this R. What is the R here? R का जो position है, that is 80I plus 150J. Now we will substitute here. This is 80I plus 150J dot. So VAB is given as 40I plus 50J divided by VAB whole square. So VAB whole square, that is equal to 40 square plus 50 square. So we get time t is equal to this is 3200 plus 7500 divided by it is 1600 plus 2500, and this is equal to 10700 divided by 41. So this comes to approximately 2.6 hours. So the answer will be your B. B will be the right answer of this problem. So come to the next problem. So in this problem, it says that a particle starts from the origin O from rest and moves with a uniform acceleration along the positive x-axis. So identify all the figures that correctly represent the motion qualitatively. यहाँ पे acceleration A is the acceleration, B is the velocity, and x is the displacement, T is the time. तो उसमें से मुझे पता करना है कि इसमें कौन-कौन सा ग्राफ जो है सही होगा. So इसमें जो given information आपका दिया हुआ है, इसकी जो initial velocity is given as u is equal to 0. U is equal to initial velocity is given as the 0. And here acceleration is equal to constant. If acceleration is equal to constant, means acceleration is not changing with respect to the time. Acceleration अगर constant है, it means acceleration is not changing with respect to the time. तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि इसकी ये जो graph है, this is the right graph, because as the time changes, this acceleration is constant. So if A is equal to constant, we can say that here dV by dt is equal to constant. It means we can write V is equal to, this is constant into t. Means V is equal to, suppose k is the constant and time t. It means V और t की जो ग्राफ होगी वो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन होगी and it will pass from the origin. So B option will be also the correct option. And also we know the equation that is x is equal to ut plus half at square. यहाँ पे जो है initial velocity 0 है, so this term will be 0. So expression आ जा रही है x is equal to at square by 2. यहाँ पे जो है this is the equation, this is the quadratic equation in xt. और ये जो quadratic equation है it will pass from the origin. So D option will be also the correct option. So option will be A, B and D. So your D option will be the correct option. So come to the next problem. So in this problem, ये बोला है कि a stream of river is flowing with a speed of 2 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये जो है आपका रिवर का फ्लो का जो है ये वेलोसिटी दी हुआ है, स्पीड दिया हुआ है, that is 2 किलोमीटर पर आवर. And a swimmer can swim at a speed of 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर. Means पहले हम इनपुट डेटा लिख रहे हैं, आपका वेलोसिटी ऑफ रिवर इज गिवन एज that is 2 kilometer per hour, and velocity of swimmer with respect to the river that is given as it is 4 kilometer per hour. Okay, so with respect to the flow of the river, so इसमें मुझे determine क्या करना है, that what should be the direction of the swimmer with respect to the flow of the river to cross the river in a straight. Suppose this is your direction of the river. ये क्या आपका? ये आपका V है. Okay? This is your velocity of the river. ये आपका पूरा river. And suppose we consider that the direction of the swimmer is theta with the vertical. मैंने vertical से theta angle consider कर लिया. Vertical means it is a perpendicular to the direction of the flow of the river. So this is your velocity of swimmer with respect to the river. इसका मतलब इस क्वेश्चंस में आपको ये बोला जा रहा है कि velocity of the swimmer with respect to the ground that should be vertical, means it should be perpendicular to the direction of the flow of the river. It means हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि इसकी जो absolute velocity जो होगी river की direction में वो क्या होगी, 0. Means if we consider this as the x direction and this as the y direction, we are considering the direction of the flow of the river along the x direction, and we are considering the perpendicular to the flow of the river, that is your y direction. So the component of the velocity of the swimmer with respect to the ground along the direction of the river, that will be 0. So we can say that velocity of the swimmer along the direction of the x, that is equal to velocity of the swimmer with respect to the river along the direction of the x plus velocity of the river. So इसकी डायरेक्शन जो हो जाएगी, अब इसको हम कंपोनेंट में ब्रेक करेंगे इस डायरेक्शन में, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका VSR into sin of theta. मींस ये जो कंपोनेंट होगी क्या होगी, ये 0 हो जाएगी. Means we can write VSR, this is your minus VSR sin of theta plus VR, that is equal to 0. It means we can write यहाँ पे जो sin theta हो जाएगा, that is equal to VR divided by VSR. So VR is given as 2 and VSR given as 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. It means theta is equal to, it is pi by 3. Means ये जो एंगल आई आपकी वर्टिकल से pi by 6, it is your pi by 6, it is 30 degree. It means इसकी जो डायरेक्शन होगी from the direction of the flow of the river, ये हो जाएगी 90 plus 30, this will be your 120 degree. So B will be the correct option for this problem. So come to the next problem. So this problem says that the position vector of particle changes with time according to the relations, that is RT is equal to 15 t square I plus 4 minus 20 t square j. ये आपकी पोजीशन दी हुई, पोजीशन ऑफ द पार्टिकल. So what is the magnitude of the acceleration at time t is equal to 1 second? तो सबसे पहले इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. R is given as it is 15 t square I plus 4 minus 20 t square j. Now what is dr by dt? So dr by dt, that is your 30 ti plus it is 0 minus 40 t j. तो ये तो हमारी वेलोसिटी निकल गई. अब इसको एक बार और डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, आपकी एक्सेलरेशन निकल जाएगी. So d2 r by dt square, that is your acceleration, and that is equal to 30 I minus 40 j. So what is the magnitude of the acceleration? That is equal to 30 square plus minus 40 square root under, and this is equal to 50 meter per second square. So the answer will be A, will be the correct option. Come to the next problem. So in this problem, the position of the particle, इसमें पार्टिकल की पोजीशन एज ए फंक्शन ऑफ टाइम दिया हुआ है. xt is equal to at plus bt square minus ct, जहां पे a b and c क्या है, ये कांस्टेंट. ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है व्हेन द पार्टिकल अटेन्स जीरो एक्सेलरेशन, जब पार्टिकल की एक्सेलरेशन जीरो हो जाएगी, देन वेलोसिटी, व्हाट विल बी देयर वेलोसिटी. जब उसकी एक्सेलरेशन जीरो हो जाएगी तो उसकी वेलोसिटी क्या होगी? तो सबसे पहले इसमें एक्सेलरेशन निकालना होगा. सो इसकी एक्सेलरेशन क्या हो जाएगी? xt is given as it is at minus bt square minus ct. Now velocity is equal to, it is a plus 2bt minus 3c into t square. ये मैंने वेलोसिटी निकाल लिया. Now what is the acceleration? This is equal to 2b minus 6c into t. When the acceleration becomes zero, so what is the t? So t will be equal to, it is 2b divided by 6c. It means it is equal to b divided by 3c. जब एक्सेलरेशन जो है t is equal to b by 3c में क्या हो जाएगी? इसकी एक्सेलरेशन जीरो हो जाएगी. तो उस समय पार्टिकल की वेलोसिटी क्या हो जाएगी? So v is equal to a plus it is 2b into b by 3c minus 3c into t square, that is b square divided by 9c square. So this c and this c is cancel off, this 3. So this is equal to a plus it is 2b square divided by 3c minus b square by 3c. So that is equal to a plus b square by 3c. So this is the velocity. ये velocity कब है? जब एक्सेलरेशन इसकी जीरो हो रही है। सो सी विल बी योर करेक्ट ऑप्शन। So come to the next problem. In this problem, it is given that a ball is thrown upward with an initial velocity of v0 from the surface of the earth. Suppose यहाँ से कोई आपकी एक बॉल को फेंका गया है जिसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी आपकी v0 है, and the motion of the ball is affected by the drag force that is equal to m gamma into v square. इसकी जो ड्रैग फोर्स है, तो इसकी ड्रैग फोर्स किधर एक्ट करेगी? इसकी ड्रैग फोर्स जो है it will act in the downward direction. It will act in the downward direction. That is equal to m gamma into v square, where m is the mass of the ball and v is the instantaneous velocity and gamma is the constant. अब इसमें मुझे बताना है कि what is the time taken by the ball to raise to its zenith. Zenith means जहां पे इसकी वेलोसिटी जीरो हो जाएगी, कितना टाइम में जो है इसकी वेलोसिटी जो है जीरो हो जाएगी। तो जो बॉल को ऊपर फेंका गया है, सो दिस इज द ड्रैग फोर्स। ड्रैग फोर्स के साथ साथ इसमें एक आपकी ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सेलरेशन भी नीचे लगेगी, that is your mg, means net force जो इस बॉल पे लगेगी, that is f net is equal to minus of m gamma v square plus mg, यानी कि जो एक्सेलरेशन हो जाएगी, एक्सेलरेशन इज इक्वल टू it is minus of gamma v square plus g. This is the net acceleration that is acting on the ball. Now we know that this acceleration is equal to dv by dt, and this dv by dt is equal to gamma v square plus g. इसको हम इस तरह लिख सकते हैं, that is dv divided by gamma v square plus g is equal to minus of dt. Now come to the left side. So we get as dv divided by, we take gamma as the common, v square plus g divided by gamma is equal to minus dt. Now we will multiply g on the both sides. Now we have to integrate it from v0 to 0, from 0 to 3. अब इसका मुझे इंटीग्रेशन करना है, सो इसकी जो इंटीग्रेशन जो होगी, that is root under of g by gamma into tan inverse v0 divided by root under of g by gamma, and that is equal to g into t. So जो हमारी फाइनल आंसर आएगी, दिस इज टाइम t is equal to root under of 1 by g gamma into tan inverse v0 into root under of gamma y. So correct option will be B will be the correct option. Now I am going to finish our video at this point. We will continue the next part of the PYQ of the kinematics in the another video. Okay, thank you.